Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northern Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, west central McLean County and central Oklahoma, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Blanchard, moving east-northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and tennis ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include far southeastern Oklahoma City, Norman, southeastern Moore, Newcastle, Blanchard, Noble, Goldsby, Cole, Etowah, Stella, Lake Thunderbird, and Little Axe. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The tornado warning for East Central Grady County will